Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Delvi Agita Fanti. Saya dari kelas MN24C. Di sini saya akan mempresentasikan salah satu analisis of factor that influence customer loyalty to fashion and products. Di slide pertama ada kata pengantar atau foreword. We offer our praise and gratitude to the presence of Almighty God for all His mercy and grace to so that this paper intellect. Analysis of factors that influence customer loyalty in fashion products can be complete on time. This paper was prepared as a form of academic assignment to explore the topic of customer loyalty, especially in the increasingly competitive fashion industry. In preparing this paper, we gained many new insights and understanding about the importance of factors such as product quality, brand image, and shopping experience in building customer loyalty. We realize that this paper is not free from shortcomings, therefore, we humbly accept constructive criticism and suggestions for improving this work in future. We would also like to thank all parties who have helped either directly or indirectly in the preparation of this paper. We hope that this paper can provide benefits and new insight for readers, as well as being a useful reference for future development in the field of fashion product marketing. Finally, we hope that this paper can be well received and make a positive contribution. Lalu di sini ada daftar isi atau list of contents yang terdiri dari ada forward, list of contents, chapter 1, introduction, background, formulation of the problem, objective, lalu chapter 2, discussion, definition of customer loyalty, factor influencing loyalty, theory, types of research, population and sample, research instrument, research result. Lalu ada chapter 3 atau closing, conclusion, suggestion, and bibliography. Pada bab pertama, ada pendahuluan atau chapter 1 introduction. Background in this analysis, the fashion industry is an economic sector that continues to develop and has a very high level of competition. Rapid change in trends, diverse customer needs, and the emergence of new brands every year makes customer loyalty a key factor in maintaining business continuity. In this context, building and maintaining customer loyalty is a big challenge for fashion business players. Customer loyalty not only provides benefits in the form of repeat purchase, but also contributes to positive word of mouth. Loyal customers tend to recommend products to others, which can ultimately strengthen the brand position in the market. However, customer loyalty is not something that can be obtained immediately. There are many factors that influence loyalty, such as product quality, price, brand image, shopping experience, and customer service. In the current digital era, fashion product consumption patterns are also exciting significant change. The rise of e-commerce, social media, and influencer-based marketing has changed the way customers interact with fashion brands. In addition, increasing customer awareness of sustainable and business ethics also influence their purchasing decisions. Therefore, companies need to deeply understanding the factors that can influence customer loyalty to remain competitive and relevant. With the background, this research aims to analyze the main factors that influence customer loyalty to fashion products, as well as provide strategic recommendations for strengthening customer relations with brands. Number 1. Formulation of the problem. What are the factors that influence customer loyalty to fashion products? Which factors have the most significant influence on customer loyalty to fashion products? What if the relation between product quality, price, brand image, shopping experience, and customer service on loyalty? What strategies can fashion companies implement to increase customer loyalty? Number 3. Objective. Identify the factors that influence customer loyalty to fashion products. Analyze the influence of each factor, such as product quality, price, brand image, shopping experience, and customer service on customer loyalty. Determine the factors that have the most significant influence on customer loyalty. Provide effective strategy recommendation for fashion campaigns to increase customer loyalty. Lalu pada bab kedua, chapter 2 discussion. Number 1, definition of customer loyalty. Customer loyalty is customer commitment to continue to choose, use, and support products or services from the brand or company, even though there are other alternatives available, and still have a positive attitude toward the brand. But also in the recommendation given to others, as well as the emotional connection that exists between the customer and the brand. Several definitions of customer loyalty according to experts. 1. Kotler and Keller, 2016, Griffin, 2002, Oliver, 1990. Next, number 2, factor influencing loyalty. Uh, Experience. Here are some of the main factors that influence customer loyalty is 1. Product quality, 2. Price and value offer, 3. Customer experience, 4. Brand image, 5. Customer satisfaction, 6. Innovation and trend, 7. Effective communication and marketing, 8. Loyalty program, and 9. Sustainable and business either, and 10. Recommendation and risk review. And number 3, theory. Customer satisfaction theory explanation. This theory states that customer loyalty is formed from customer satisfaction that arises when the experience of purchasing or using a product meets or exceeds their expectation. And then brand identity theory. This theory states that consumers choose brands that can reflect their personal identity. And next, type of research. In research related to customer loyalty to fashion products, there are several types of research that can be used according to the research objective and the data you want to obtain. The following are the relevant type of research. 1. Quantitative research. 2. Qualitative research. 3. Mixed research. 4. Descriptive research. 5. Explanatory research. 6. Exploratory research. 7. Longitudinal research, and 8. Cross-sectional research. And next, population and sample. The population in research are individual or subject that have certain characteristics in according with the research objective. In the content of customer loyalty research on fashion products, the population can be defined as all customers who use or have purchased fashion products from a particular brand or retain a particular segment. Sample population. Number 1. Population by brand. All customers who have purchased products for this fashion brand, such as Zara, H&M, or Uniqlo in the past year. Number 2. Population based on demographics. And number 3. Population based on lifestyle. Research instrument. The research instrument used to collect data related to customer loyalty to fashion products can be in the form of questionnaires, interview, observation, and documentation, depending on the research method chosen. And number 7, research result. The result of this research show that customer loyalty toward fashion products is influenced by several main factors. Based on data analysis, it was found that product quality has a significant influence to a customer loyalty, with customers who are satisfied with product quality more likely to make repeat purchase and recommend the brand to others. And pada bab ketiga, penutup atau closing. Conclusion. The conclusion of this research show how the customer loyalty toward fashion product is influenced by various factors that are interrelated and play an important role in determining repeat purchase decision and recommendation from customers. The first factor found to influence loyalty is product quality. Suggestion. Based on the result of the research, several suggestions that can be given to increase customer loyalty to fashion products are as follows. 1. Improve product quality. 2. Strengthening in brand image. 3. Improve customer experience. And 4. Competitive price adjustment. 5. Optimizing loyalty program. 6. Using customer data for personalization. 7. Listen to customer review. Maybe that's what I can convey. Sorry if there are many shortcomings. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.